The Centers for Disease Control now recommending that everyone wear something to cover their nose and mouth when out in public. Team 12's Colleen Sikora is looking into what you need to know about wearing a mask.
Health experts say masks could help trap particles from those who are infected and don't know it. But a mask isn't going to work by itself. As COVID-19 cases in Arizona rise above 2,000.
The virus is hitting us hard.
New measures taken to slow the spread. Governor Doug Ducey closing down salons and barbershops. Public park amenities that don't allow for social distancing closed too. On the national scene, the CDC saying in light of recent studies, they're recommending people wear face coverings in public spaces like grocery stores where it's tougher to follow proper social distancing.
It's that easy.
Specifically stating medical face masks should be kept for those on the front lines.
The medical grade N95 or N100 masks, those are really for emergency medical personnel, physicians, nurses. That's who needs those masks.
TGen North Director Dr. David Engelthaler says the idea behind wearing something to cover our nose and mouth is more to protect others, not yourself.
Helps prevent someone from either coughing out particles, or sneezing particles that somebody else could breathe in and get sick with, or the vice versa, that you don't potentially breathe in if somebody sneezed right next to you, all those particles.
Many Arizonans taking to making their own masks at home, whether through sewing or using cloth and rubber bands.
If you're going to be using a mask, that's not all you should be using.
There are other steps to take in order to stay protected. You still need to be washing your hands and keeping 6 feet away from other people.
Mask might add an extra layer of protection, but it doesn't if you're not following those other pieces.
It's important to note here too, Dr. Engelthaler says if you're sick, you should not be going out in public, whether you have a face covering or not. Colleen Sikora, 12 News.